Why am I a crazy bitch? So did you choose something already? Yes. You did? Oh my god. Do you think it'll look good on my foot, or like, do you think another part of my body would be good? Or do you think keep it safe on my foot? Just it's going on your foot. Yeah, okay. I don't know, I'm just crazy, love making impulsive decisions. 20 years old, Juli. This is what you're doing at 20 years old. Okay, so we are on our way to the tattoo shop. I don't want to jinx it because every time I try and do some shit like this, like, it just doesn't work. I'm basically gonna let my sister and her boyfriend choose a tattoo that's gonna go on my body for the rest of my life. I don't know why I'm doing this. I've always wanted to do a vlog getting a tattoo, but we're gonna put a little spin on it. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm scared. My stomach feels like hollow right now. I'm nervous. Did I think this through? No, I did not. I woke up today thinking I was going to the gym. I literally woke up thinking I was going to the gym, and then I'm like, hey, wait, like, this would be really cool. Nervous. I don't want anything ratchet or anything like, I don't know. The thing is, she doesn't get to pay it, so si es ratchet. I trust her though. I trust you. Oh, let's show them my first tattoo. This is my first tattoo. This, I literally thought about. Oh, let's tell them the story. So it means friendship. My sister has it. So we got this done in Colombia 2 years ago with our best friends. And honestly, for me to get this, I had to think it through like so much. And it was literally like a 2 minute. Yeah. But now I'm like, hey, choose a tattoo for me. My parents don't know. Like, this is not like, oh, like, let her pick one and then pretend that we picked it for her. No, like, no, this is real. I wish it was fake. I don't want like a flower or a rose. I don't care what you want or you don't want. That's what I'm saying. You were asking me what I don't want, what I wouldn't like. Yo, my stomach feels like... Are you nervous? This is me. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm kind of nervous. At first I was like, yeah, that's gonna be so much fun. But now I'm like, whatever. Not let us do it. Like bitch. Crazy bitch. Yeah, like, no. You're crazy. No, think about it. Do it. This is what I think. We're on vacation. These vacations have been super lit. I think I realized a lot of things. So, might as well get a tattoo so I can remind myself of it. Me and Kevin are getting matching tats. No. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I would rather let someone choose what they get a matching tattoo with my like boyfriend or something. Yeah. Chill. Oh well, you know, yeah. Got matching tattoo with my sister. I mean, never stop being sisters. Yeah, we can never stop being sisters. On my way to my deathbed, always gonna carry a part of Italy on my body. Literally. Oh, also, I don't even know what tattoo shop we're going to. I don't even know who the fuck is gonna tap me up. Like, don't do this at home, kids. I'm just doing this for fun. Cause I need some excitement in my life. Hey. Told my mom we're going to the mall. Yeah, they just told the guy that I'm being surprised, and he said, okay.
Those double line, you can make it like something like that. Something similar like that. Yeah. You too?
No. Oh my god, they're gonna do it. The things I do with you. Love experiencing new things. Yeah. Whatever you think. I'm putting so much trust into this bitch right now, I really don't even know. Okay, so all I know is that my tattoo is gonna be right here somewhere. It's gonna hurt a lot, but we're gonna be fine. I think it's gonna hurt more when I see it than like the actual pain. One in the right here hurt a lot for me. Yeah, it felt like a knife was like, bah.
Are you gonna film mine too?
Yeah, we can film it. Oh yeah, he's getting a tattoo too, but he knows what, he picked it out. Okay, that's my tattoo. Okay, sorry. Okay, so they're discussing my tattoo a lot. I low-key feel like it's something like that has to do with the environment. I don't know why, like that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, my sister is discussing my tattoo a lot, which makes me really happy because she's actually putting like, you know, attention into what I'm gonna get on the rest of my body. I mean, what I'm gonna get on my body for the rest of my life. So that makes me feel, you know, a little bit more calm. Okay, could I sit here? Oh my god. I don't know. Okay. No está. Oh, we're gonna do it at the same time. No, izquierda. Izquierda. Honey. I'm so crazy. Can I regret it now? No. She doesn't have enough money. I'm gonna run away after. No, I'm kidding. Cuidado. It's not too big, but it's not too small either. Okay. You think I'll regret it? A few days ago, they dared me to go into the ocean at 9 p.m. But like, I just could not do that. Like, I couldn't do it. But I'm doing this. Right? Isn't that crazy? Kick is doing his too. Well, she's starting to. What, it hurts? Oh my god, she's already saying it hurts. Si apenas empezó Juliana. Have you guys had anyone what we're doing right now? Like have someone pick their tattoo? Oh no, first time. That's pretty cool. Yeah, but no, oh, it looks nice. Venga. Oh, it looks really nice. Sí. Se le ve muy bonito. Me bien gusta. En el espejo, allá hay un espejo. Espere. El review. Hágale pues. Hágale pues. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I knew, I'm like, I think it has something to do with the environment. I love it. Thank you, honey. Gracias. Oh my god, venga, vuelta. A ver, yo veo. Volteate. Venga, más para acá. Y veas, está bien el tamaño, ¿cierto? Ya. Let me see. So why did you choose this tattoo? Tell us. Porque sí. I love to travel and I love the earth. So, perfect. Thank you. Saludos. Gracias. No sé cómo se llama.
Luca.
Luca. Okay.
¿Tú?
Juliana.
Juliana.
Mucho gusto. Gracias.
Mucho gusto.
Okay, he's done. That looks good.
Yeah, I'll leave it.
Ciao, gracias. And that's a wrap. We did it. That hurt a lot.
Really?
Yeah, it hurt a lot, bro. Oh my god, wow. I can't believe I did that.
Like, it
See
really...
here, se pintó acá and then it's... Ay, tan lindo. Muy buena gente, muy buena gente. I can't wait for my parents to see my tattoo. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey. Yeah. She bitty pee pee pee. I didn't know what I was gonna get until it was done. ¿Sí me entiende?
¿Cómo hace eso?
Mi hermana me lo escogió, my sister. Hoy me levanté como una loquera, like, wow, me quiero hacer algo.
Que te dije que mi hermana escogiera mi tatuaje. Violeta sabía.
Sí.
Y ella sabe esas cosas. Y usted no me cuenta esas cosas a mí.
Pa, me hice un tatuaje.
¿Cómo?
Me hice un tatuaje. No sé, pues solo les estoy contando que me hice
un tatuaje.
Me hice un tatuaje. Acá.